Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to fix missing images in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, understand that AutoCAD links images as external files stored on your computer. Over here, if the image file is renamed or deleted, it will appear missing in AutoCAD. Then, recognize that broken references are causing the image to disappear. After that, take a screenshot of the image you want to use. Over here, press Windows plus Shift plus S to open the snipping tool. Then, select and crop the required portion of the image. After that, the screenshot will be copied to your clipboard automatically. Over here, switch back to your AutoCAD drawing. Then, position your cursor where you want the image to appear. After that, right-click and select Paste, or press Ctrl-V. Over here, the image will now appear inside your AutoCAD drawing. Then, understand that this pasted image is no longer linked to external files. After that, even if the original image is renamed or deleted, your AutoCAD image will remain safe. Over here, use this method whenever you need a self-contained drawing. Then, continue working with your project without worrying about missing references. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.